Find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining A minus 4 comma 0 and B 0 comma 6 into 4 equal points. 4 equal points. For line segment AB is divided into 4 equal points. First you draw a line segment AB. Draw a line segment AB. This is a line segment. One end is A, other end is B. A point minus 4 comma 0. B 0 comma 6. 0 comma 6. This line segment is divided into 4 equal parts. So 1 2 3 4 4 equal parts. Now these points are let P Q R P Q R P Q R. P Q R. These 3 points are divide line segment AB into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. First we do the midpoint of line segment, midpoint of the line segment AB. Midpoint is Q. Midpoint is Q. Okay. Next find the midpoint of AQ is P. Next find the midpoint of Q and B is R. Like that we get these 3 points which are divides into 4 equal parts of the line segment AB. Line segment AB. We know that midpoint of, we know the formula, midpoint of line segment, midpoint of A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 is just add x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Now find the midpoint of line segment AB. Midpoint of line segment AB. Midpoint of line segment AB is equal to Q x comma y is x comma y. Points A minus 4 comma 0 and B 0 comma 6. Write x1 y1 x2 y2. Midpoint of AB is equal to x1 minus 4 plus x2 0 by 2 comma y1 0 plus y2 6 by 2. minus 4 by 2, minus 4 by 2, 6 by 2 is minus 2 comma 3, 2 times 3 times. So minus 2 comma 3 is the point coordinates of Q, coordinates of Q, minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 3. Now find the midpoint of AQ. Find the midpoint of AQ. Midpoint of AQ. AQ is P. Px comma y is equal to A is minus 4 comma 0, B is Q is minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 3. Write x1 y1 x2 y2. Now write x1 minus 4 plus x2 minus 2 divided by 2. y1 0 plus y2 3 by 2. These two are minus, so add minus 6 by 2. Here is 3 by 2. 3 times. So minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Minus 3 comma 3 by 2. P is minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Minus 3 comma 3 by 2. This is the midpoint of AQ is P. P coordinates are minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Now find the midpoint of QB. Midpoint of QB. QB midpoint is R. R x comma y. R x comma y is equal to, here now write Q 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. B 0 comma 6, 0 comma 6. x1 y1 x2 y2. These values are substitute in this formula, we get x1 plus x2. x1 is minus 2 plus y2 x2 is 0 by 2 comma y1 is 3, y2 is 6 by 2. So minus 2 by 2, 9 by 2. That is equal to, goes into one time. So minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Minus 1 comma 9 by 2 is the midpoint of QB. Is R whose coordinates are minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Therefore coordinates of point, coordinates of points which divide the line segment line segment AB is equal to minus 3 comma 3 by 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 comma minus 1 comma 9 by 2. Okay. Question is, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A minus 4 comma 0 and B 0 comma 6 into 4 equal parts. Line segment, one end is A, other end is B. So first draw a line segment AB. This is line segment. This line segment is divided into how many parts? 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. Dividing points are P, Q, R. Let 2 be P, Q and R are the points which divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. Equal parts. First we write this line. Let 2 be P, Q and R are the points which divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. So first I think Q is the midpoint of the line segment AB. So we do the midpoint of AB. So we know the formula of finding the midpoint of A x1 comma y1 B x2 comma y2 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the finding midpoint of a line segment. So we find the midpoint of line segment AB. So write two end points. A is minus 4 comma 0, B 0 comma 6. Write x1 y1, x2 y2. These values are substituted in this formula. We get minus 2 comma 3. This is the midpoint of AB. Now find the midpoint of AQ. So write A minus 4 comma 0, Q minus 2 comma 3. Write x1 y1, x2 y2. These values are substituted in this formula. Do simplification. We get minus 3 comma 3 by 2 is the midpoint of AQP. Now find the midpoint of QB. QB is R. So Q minus 2 comma 3, B 0 comma 6. Write x1 y1, x2 y2. These values are substituted in this formula. Do simplification. We get minus 1 comma 9 by 2. These 3 points are divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. This is the important question for the 10th class students. Okay.